Today, I created a look using the Bad Habit Dream State palette. If you like the look I created, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So this Dream State palette is a 15 shade pressed glitter palette. All the shades are pressed glitters. So if you want to see how I created this look and my thoughts on this palette, then stay tuned. Just gonna take this Bad Habit primer and prime my eyes real quick. I feel like I'm too far away. I feel like I need to scoot in. Do I scoot in and knock makeup over? Because I always hit my desk. I'll scoot in a second. All right. Pounce that in a little blender. A little spoon. Just an FYI, I have not been setting my primer on my eyes. So, yes, these shadows have not been going on over powder. They've been going straight over primer. Okay, so we're going to play with this Bad Habit Dream State pressed glitter collection, and we're gonna see just how well or poorly these work. I'm hoping well, because they're so pretty, but we're gonna have a little help from the Aphrodite palette because I want to use some of the neutral shades in here. So we're gonna start with Koi as a transition shade. Just gonna take a fluffy brush and yeah, so my birthday was last Thursday. I'm filming this Friday, but you'll see it Monday. So yeah, I had a good birthday. Got my nails done. Got some Dunkin' coffee. My son got me these beautiful little, it's like a bigger angel and a little smaller angel. And they have LED lights in the bottom, but the angels are like gold speckled. Turn on the light, they glow. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And I collect angels, so that was beautiful. So I had a good day. Didn't have to cook dinner. My husband brought home dinner. Okay, so now I'm going to go into sugar. I'm going to go into, yep. Totally just stabbed one of these colors with the brush. Okay, I'm gonna go into the color Admire, that brown right there. That's gonna be our crease shade. So yeah, I had a good birthday. 35, holler. Doesn't really matter at this point. Like now it's just like, whoa, we're getting older. Joy to the world. Like, who cares? Nothing special. Just getting older. Alright, so there is that. Now, we're going to set this aside for a moment. And we're actually going to go into the color in the Dream State. We're going to use the color Surreal. This pretty green, light green color. Ah, I love it. Okay, we're going to put that all over the lid. Or all over most of the lid. Yeah. A little past half. Yeah, we're going to try with our finger first. look at that color. Oh, it's so pretty. Although it seems like the glitter is unfortunately going everywhere. Don't like that. I'm wondering if this is something that would benefit from like a glitter glue. Look at this glitter. It's everywhere now. I wonder if I should really pick up a glitter glue. I'm gonna see if I can find one today. And see what that can do, because I feel like that is just... I'm gonna spray this brush, go over that with a wet brush and see what that does. Yeah, I'm blinking and glitter is falling. Pressed glitters. Pressed glitter is supposed to need a glitter glue? I don't know. I should do some research on that before I get into it. I mean, hello. But it was just kind of a spur of the moment decision to use this palette today, just because I wanted to play with it. It's a pretty color, but there's a spot right here the like glitter does not want to stay. I feel like a glitter glue is a necessity with this palette, so yeah, definitely gonna be trying to pick some of that up today. Hopefully I can find some. I feel like glitter is everywhere. Look at my face. This is why I did my eyes first. I just knew that it, just knew. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the rest of the lid with the color Reverie? Right there. That brown. I'm gonna use my finger. Got like gold reflex in it. It's pretty. And now I'm going to go between the green and the brown with this Nirvana, this darker green right there, just to kind of blend it all together. Use a different finger. Ooh, that one's chunky. Okay. That one feels different. Feels chunkier. Like grittier. Ooh, I don't know about that one, guys. That one's not. I don't know about that. I feel like it's not working to. Well, Okay, so maybe we take a wet brush with that one, see what happens. Isn't it fun to learn and experiment with me? Alright, I'm gonna go into that with a wet brush. Ooh. I don't know if this is working out very well. Yeah, you definitely should use a glitter glue. So just, if you're thinking about getting this palette, pick up a glitter glue while you're at it. Because, yeah, I definitely believe that a glitter glue definitely would be beneficial. Because it's just going everywhere. Okay, got that a little bit. Go back into that brown and just kind of blend that in. Back into that green, the surreal green, the lighter green, blend that in. That's interesting. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, I'm going to take the Aphrodite palette. I'm going to go into this dark brown called Passion. Right there. I'm going to use that. Just like right here in the other part, just to kind of make it all look connected in a way. I'm going to take the crease brush that we used and just kind of go over the crease. I'm going to put a little more on this side. This side seems to have disappeared for some reason. And take the transition shade Koi that we use and kind of buff over the edges. Just kind of blend that out. It's a really good color to use to buff out the edges of browns. Like, wow, look at that. It's so much better now. Oh boy. All right, liner. Let's take some E.L.F. liquid liner. Wow, look at this mess I have to clean off my face. Okay, so gotta clean off my face, pop on some lashes, make this pretty. And we'll be back to do the bottom of the lash line, and let's hope I don't get glitter in my eyes. I'll be back. Okay, now I did all that lovely. Now it's time to finish the look. So we're gonna go into Aphrodite. We're gonna use the Admire, which is the crease shade we used. And we're gonna sweep that on the bottom lash line. Then we're gonna grab a little of that Passion, which is that dark brown color. Hope I wasn't blinding you. And just put it on the outer third. Connect it to, you know, up there. Oh, those technical terms, I tell ya. All right, let's go back into Dream State. Just take this brush, this flat brush that we used to put on. Wipe it off because I don't want that dark green everywhere. All right, we're gonna go into that Surreal, which was the light green we put on the lid, and we're just gonna take a little on the tip of the brush, tap a lot of that off. We're just gonna put it, you know, right here in the inner part of the lower lash line. And try not to get any glitter in your eye. There we go. Woo! Alright, let's get a Q-tip and clean the waterline. Mascara in the waterline. We're gonna take this bronzy eyeliner, and we're gonna use that in the waterline. By the way, this is the Holy Addiction Pro Define Eyeliner by J Cat Beauty. It is the color Shimmer Bronze. Okay. Now, as usual, mascara. I'm going to use the E.L.F. Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara on the bottom. If you're interested in how I do my face makeup, I made a video of how I do it to correct all the lovely redness I have. I showed how I use color corrector for that. So if you're interested in that, I will put a link in the description box. It was Friday's video. So yeah, I will do that. And we're done. That's it. So let's see my thoughts. Oh boy. Okay, so if you do want to get this I keep wanting to say Dream Street because I just watched a video yesterday about somebody used Dream Street. So anyways, going off topic. Yeah, so if you do want to get the Bad Habit Dream State palette, I would really suggest getting a glitter glue with this, because I feel like that would have worked way better. I mean, the color's there. You can see the colors. But like, oh, that glitter is gonna be everywhere. By the end of the day, it's just, I don't know. By the way, lashes can make any look better. Like, this was looking kind of like a hot mess before I popped on lashes. Popped on lashes, and now I'm like, I like that. So yeah, just a FYI, lashes, they make all the difference. So anyways, that is today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to become part of the #Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. I don't know what I'm doing, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.